Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Ufedlisha took it upon herself to go to Umaruna and tell Umaruna that Umaruna ahlukane nobonkosi. She would pay her whatever amount she wants ukuze release ubonkosi from the spell or whatever it is they call it. Uthi Umaruna yena uyamthanda kubonke. Uthi yena this is not love. This is not love. So Umaruna should just like stop it with Ubongo. Oh, it was the perfect girl for Ubongo, not Umaruna. There's no way, and she's not gonna accept Umaruna as umakoti wakhe. And if Umaruna aqhubeka nobongo, utophila njani like that, no ngusumakezala wakhe would not accept her. She would rather go to the heavens. Unokuthi I accept Umaruna as umakoti wakhe. Umaruna says that she loves Ubongo. There's no amount of money that would buy her love for Ubongo. Shame Mpumi is still going through a lot with the whole Gabriel thinking. So Mark was just like saying a whole lot of things. And Mpumi tried to say something about the pressure that she gets from being a breadwinner. Mark was like, wait, what? Girl? Awukaholi 3 months, you don't even qualify for the 3 months bank statement wena manje, so you want to tell me about black tax ngabo what breadwinner what wait a minute unokuthula yena is not giving Ishmael kuthula shem ufuna Ishmael ambizo ngomani ngoma, and Ishmael is not giving that. Uthi uFestus yena abamniki number yanokuthula so that he will call her every morning and call her umama so that she can stop whatever it is that she's doing. Ishmael is I'm not giving in nakanjani. Mpumi goes to Gabriel to find out the truth if Gabriel really pimped her or something. Gabriel was not interested. He was like, awuyakhala. Okay, khala ke ngisayokhela amanzi and drink water when you're done. So I can tell you, because a lot of people, when you one night, people out there, they're unaliving people. People out there, they've done a whole lot of things to get to where they are today. Because when about Felicia, they didn't do anything. They just woke up one day and they had all and everything that they had. Worry kakhulu so once worry kakhulu wena baby girl, a lot of things do happen. A lot of things do happen. So nje nawe ungawari kakhulu. Yo akasakhali uMpumi, akasekho heartbroken because uma wakho entertain nabo Ishmael nabo umfundisi. Umaruna tried to talk to Mpumi kodwa Mpumi was not interested. Now Mpumi is the one going through it all by herself. Wait, what? Sanibonani. So when we take it back to the early days of Genesis, right? Mpumi has always been Umaruna is always overpowered, or Ishedu Yamaruna was always Mpumi somehow. It's not supposed to be like that. Kotu Mawabo made it felt like Umaruna is number one and then Mpumi ulandela ngemuva. Every time I fell up endlini, you'd find my pictures of Maruna and all that, the things that she achieved Umaruna. Mpumi, all these years being called Umawa Pila, but she was not Pila's mom. Mpumi has suffered a lot of neglect from Umawake because she was not a breadwinner. Mpumi has tried so many times to get a record label so that now she can sing, because she does have a voice to sing. But so Maruna's voice even overpowered her voice. Ekulin. Umaruna was the one who was getting a record label. Umaruna is the one who got Lobola. Umaruna is the one who got Umtwana. Mpumi had to be the mother to that child so that the world will think that Umaruna is a virgin. And Umaruna, through those lies, Umaruna wathola umntwana. Mpumi has always been nice, guys. Let's just don't say that Mpumi just woke up one day and became greedy. We've seen Mpumi developing into this person that she is today. Mpumi from where Mpumi was Upila's mom, but she was not Pila's mother. Upila's mother was Umaruna. She just was kept secret. You understand? So that Umaruna can sing a gospel as a virgin, Ashat and all that. Now Mpumi grew to be this person who has so much anger towards Umaruna. towards umakwakhe, or umakwakhe, she has this thing ukuthi I want to prove to her ukuthi nami I can provide for her as a mother, nami I can provide more than umaruna. So it like somehow it turned into a competition. Because one day, I'm thinking that even whenever she was sitting, she was like, one day, if I had money, if I have money, if I get enough money, if I get access to money, this is what I'm gonna do for my mom. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Understand? Because when we take it back to Marona having access to all these things, she always carried Umpumo with her. Like, she never left Umaron. When they paid Owethu, they were going out together. Umpumi was not making money. Umaron was the one who was making money, and she was going to pay for both of them that day. Kodwa nje, things turned out to be the way they were, and then they ended up being arrested. So I feel like, honestly speaking, Uwendi is the one who turned Umpumi to the person that she is today. Because always being compared to your little sister, now it falls to Mpumi that Umaruna doesn't have respect for her or towards her, because Umawake is always saying that breadwinner, hey, my daughter said she was gonna build me a house. She's going to buy me a what she's going upon. So it's more like they're comparing when is comparing Mpumi and Umaruna, whereas Bona Abeko to a competition. And somehow to Umpumi, it turned out to be a competition. Ebile Umarona, it was not a competition. It was like, I'm doing my due diligence. Like, I'm doing what I can for my family with the money that I have, with the access that I have. I'm doing it for my family. That's what Umarona was doing. Kodwa aside Lampumi, it turned out to be a competition. Look at the situations that she is in manje. Look at where she is manje, having to do all the things that she never thought she would do just to keep imali flowing, just to be a breadwinner. One day Mpumi said to her mom, everything that I do, I always want to make you proud in everything that I do. Shows she needs approval from Wendy, so much so that even when Gabriel said that they're no longer going to have access to the things that they have, because he doesn't have imali anymore, and Umzwak is the one who has money. Mpumi said, I'm allergic to poverty. If this is what I should do so that we can keep the money going, I would do it. Thinking, see, if I don't do this, I'm going to disappoint my mother. I'm going to disappoint my mother, and my mother would no longer see me as a breadwinner. My mother will no longer praise me. My mother will no longer see me as a better child than Umaruna. Which is when that's why Bishop said one day that I don't blame Umaruna. I blame the person who raised Umaruna to be the woman that she is today. The environment that Umaruna grew up in is the environment that I'm blaming, not Umaruna. Mom Felicia was very, very upset with Ubongo to the point whereby she pointed everything. So it seems like now every child that she has now is not a respecting her, and they're not giving her the what that she needs. Now no, she's in trouble. Okay, manje she's like, ma, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. No one is together with me here. You guys are your things. You are doing your things. You did your things. Your things. Your things. You don't consider my feelings. You don't consider me. How are they going to consider your feelings if, as a parent, I don't know if parents understand that at some point you need to let your children make their own decisions. At some point, no matter what you sacrifice as a parent, we understand, we're grateful, we all that and all this. But no matter what you as a parent sacrifice to make impilo yomntwanakho to be how it is today, at some point, for you to have the inner peace that you need, for you to live your life comfortable, for you to be, hey, ube fit deep down, you need to let your child make their own decisions. You need to let your child decide who they want to be with. You need to let your child decide if they want to stay this at home or they want to have their own place or something. Yeah, understand? Because if you don't do that, this is going to make you suffer. Now Felicia, when she has a stroke or heart attack, minor heart attack and all that, it's all because of what the children are doing. It's not because of her, ukuthi mhlambe sekashayise umuntu or something. No, it's because of the children. Why can't you just like let them decide what they want to do now? And then when as a parent support, because manje this is too much. When she's going to go to Bonk and say that I will fight until the end before na umaruna abe umakoti wami aphinze aye kumaruna to beg to say stay away from my son. Or vele vele you should know that I'm not gonna accept you as your mother-in-law. What kind of a thing is that? Should mother-in-laws do that? Should people who feel like my child doesn't deserve Shimona come and say whatever they feel like they should do because bona bazali? Like the power then as a parent you have to say I'm gonna drive here and go to someone else's house and figure dinner and tell them how useless their child is and just get away with that. Is it true though?